hapon, binibigyan natin ng parangal ang ating makukulay na float at festival performances noong nakaraang araw ng kalayaan. Dahil ang bagong Pilipinas ay hindi lang tungkol sa pagsulong. Ito rin ay ang pag-aalala at pagbibigay halaga sa ating pinanggalingan. Your creativity, your passion, the spirit that brings depth and meaning to who we are as a nation. Kaya't saludo ako sa inyong lahat. I hope that the spark that you have within you to join these kinds of festivities, that it will never leave. It will never leave your heart, and it will never leave your creative spirit. Because we are not just preserving our culture when we do this. We preserve it for the next generation, but more so, we are living our culture. We are living it proudly and joyfully and meaningfully. Ipakita natin na tayo ang tagapagmana ng tapang, talino at malasakit ng ating mga ninuno. Tayo ang mga bagong Pilipino. Katulad nila, may disiplina, may husay, may panindigan ipaglaban ang kinabukasan ang ating inang bayan.